Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best grilling tools on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Evo Glass Oil Sprayer Non-Aerosol for olive cooking oils. When barbecuing, it's important to properly oil your items both for flavor and to keep them from sticking to the grill. But it can be easy to overdo it. Enter Evo's oil sprayers, which dispense exactly 1/4 teaspoon of oil every time you squeeze the trigger. We love using these on everything from chicken to vegetables. Filling the bottles is a cinch, too. They come with a funnel for no mess pouring. Features: giftable, sheerness, easy to clean, easy to hold. Number 2. Second best pick is KitchenAid Prep Mixing Bowl Set of 7. Having the right tools to prep for grilling is just as important as the ones with which you flip burgers or slice a steak. And every cookout chef deserves a solid set of prep and mixing bowls. This version from KitchenAid is one of our favorites for a few reasons. The bowls come in a variety of bright colors, they nest for super easy storage, and the prep bowls even come with lids, which makes packing up leftovers a breeze. They're perfect for marinating meats overnight and pretty enough to serve your salad in as well. Features: ideal for prepping, mixing, and storing food. 3 mixing bowls, 2.5 quart, 3.5 quart, and 4.5 quart. For prep bowls, 1 cup, 2 cup, 3 cup, and 4 cup, lids included. Dishwasher safe, for easy cleanup. Number 3. Third best pick is Open Roadhouse Silicone Spurtle Set. What's a spurtle? It lies somewhere between a spoon and a spatula, and once you use one, you'll wonder how you ever cooked without it. This set from Open Roadhouse contains every type of spurtle you might want: regular, slotted, offset, and skinny, plus a spatula and a handy rest to keep your grill area clean. The silicone pieces are gentle on cookware, but sturdy enough to scrape, smash, and spread easily. Features: these silicone spurt-less kitchen tools as seen on TV are dishwasher friendly for easy cleanup and no hassle. Your Spurtle silicone utensil set won't splinter, crack, or add extra work to your cleanup routine. Comfortable to grip, sturdy enough to use for any kitchen task, and made from 600F heat-resistant silicone, this Spurtle kitchen spatula set will be your favorite set of silicone kitchen utensils for cooking and baking. As baking spatulas, they'll help you scrape out your bowl or cake pan without damaging non-stick surfaces. Use these silicone spatulas for cooking in all your non-stick cookware, and scrape, stir, and flip without worry of damage. Use the long spatula for spreading icing on cakes or stirring deep pots, the slotted thin spatula for straining water or separating egg yolks, the medium spatula for scraping out bowls and sautéing, the skinny spatula for scraping out jars or as a frosting spatula. Number 4. Fourth best pick is Starfrit 15-inch silicone oven glove. Protective gear is always important when you're cooking near an open flame. But certain gloves can be too bulky to allow you to properly grasp or turn items. That's why we like this model from Starfrit. The silicone makes it heat resistant, but the cotton interior is soft and easy to grip. Features: silicone oven mitt with cotton lining. Offers the advantages of a silicone mitt with the comfort and flexibility of a traditional mitt. Heat resistant up to 464 degrees Fahrenheit. Won't stain. Non-slip silicone ribs improve dexterity and grip. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Kuhn Rikon 3-in-1 Snips Kitchen Shears. A pair of kitchen shears is a true workhorse. You can cut the ends off asparagus, trim the fat off a piece of steak, and even clip vegetables from your garden. This version from Kuhn Rikon is one of our favorites because not only are the self-sharpening blades able to cut through almost anything, but the shears also boast a box cutter and a bottle opener, a must for cookouts. A handy protective sheath keeps them safe when not in use. Features: bottle opener on the handle opens beer and soda bottles. Sharpened box cutter edge opens boxes and packages. Self-sharpening as blades rub together. Spring-loaded design makes for easy cutting. Right or left-handed use. Looped handle gives more control and grip. Hand wash and air dry recommended. Do not allow blades to soak in water. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.